Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a simple LED circuit on this breadboard. What you will need to make this circuit is a resistor of the 220 resistance and an LED of any colour. I'm using a green one, and a jumper wire. Oh, and also a battery of your favourite smelling variety. Okay, first step, you're going to want to get your LED and you'll want to put it across the middle and make sure the long lead is where you know it. So this side is the long lead, and we'll want that going to the positive side. So I'm going to get this jumper wire, put it to this red side, which is the positive side. Now you're going to want to get your resistor, bend the legs, and then put the legs on the same row but to the negative side. So like that. Sorry, just knocked over that. And so you can see it's going from there to there to there and then across to this resistor. Once you've done that, your circuit is done, and all you need to do is add the positive side to the red side and the negative side to the black side. And there you go. Very simple, very easy. You can add in a button like this to turn the LED on and off, and I'll just show you how to do that. So for this one, I'm going to do it on the same side, so they'll all be on the same side and it doesn't have to go across. So we've got the long leg going, so we want the button, put the button in the middle, the long leg like that going across. I don't know if you can see that, but so you'll want the resistor going into the button. Wait, this is another one. There we go, like that. So then the resistor is on the same line as the button, and then this side has the LED on it, and then you get your jumper wire, go from that side to the positive side, because that's the side we have the long leg on. Okay, now we just plug the battery in, but we do it on the same side so we don't have it stretching across. Done the polarity wrong on that, so if you get that wrong you can just change it around, and there we go. If you're wondering, this is the circuit diagram for the LED circuit we made. It goes from the negative side to the negative side of the LED, and then the positive side to the positive side of the LED. So the circuit was quite simple and easy to do. So you can repeat this, and I hope this helps.